How to update PS4 system software. Step 1. Prepare your PS4 power on your PlayStation 4 and ensure it is connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. 2. Navigate to the PS4 main menu. Step 2. Access system software update. From the main menu, select Settings. Scroll down and choose System Software Update from the menu. Step 3. Initiate the update. The system will automatically check for any available updates. If an update is found, a prompt will appear. Select Next to proceed. You will be guided through a series of screens containing the software update information. Press Update to proceed. Step 4. Download the update. The update will start downloading automatically. Ensure the PS4 remains powered on and connected to the internet during this process. Once the download is complete, the PS4 will automatically restart to begin the installation. Step 5. Install the update. After rebooting, the update will be applied. This process may take several minutes. The console will restart again once the installation is complete. Once the system restarts, a message will confirm that the update was successful. Alternative method: update via USB. If the PS4 cannot connect to the internet, you can update using a USB flash drive. Prepare USB drive. Format a USB drive to FAT32 or exFAT. Create a folder named PS4, and inside that folder, create another folder named Update1. Download update file. Download the update file from the official PlayStation website and save it as PS4 Update PUP in the Update folder. Plug USB into PS4. Connect the USB drive to your PS4 console. 21. Enter safe mode. Turn off the power completely and hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps. 33. Install update. Select Update System Software and follow the prompts to complete the installation. And that's it. Your PS4 system software should now be up to date. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.